Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's been a while since I interacted with you last time. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for your immense support on my Sikkim travel series, and I expect that you will love my Coastal Karnataka series similarly. So today you are going to see the first video of my Coastal Karnataka exploration series. So in this whole series you will get to see me traveling from Bangalore to Mangalore, then to Udupi, and to Murdeshwar, then Gokarna. So these are the places which I have covered, and I tried to cover maximum number of tourist attractions, the famous places which are in these places: Mangalore, Udupi, Murdeshwar and Gokarna. So I hope you love this complete series, and if you like my videos then please subscribe to my channel. And talking about this particular trip, so it has been very special to me because initially I planned this trip to be a solo one, until the very last moment when my dad joined me and he said, no, I want to come with you. So it was really a very overwhelming moment for me. I was really happy and glad that he came with me. My dad's age is 60 years, and in this age the courage that he showed to travel with me on my two-wheeler for around 1600 kilometers, the round trip was 1600 kilometers, that is really commendable. I am so glad that he joined me, and this complete trip was a memorable one. I enjoyed myself a lot, and of course Coastal Karnataka is really beautiful. So in this series you will get to see the drone shots of Maravante beach, Om beach, and I have taken good shots of Shiradi ghat as well, and Panambur beach, Malpe beach. I have taken pretty good drone shots there. You will see St. Mary's Island, to name a few. So there are a lot of places which I have covered, and I know you are pretty excited to see. So let's proceed without any further delay. So right now I have left my place, and this is Marathalli. And right now I'm approaching Mahadevpura. And this is Bagmane Tech Park, which you see on your right hand side, and this is Kiarpuram. So residing in Bangalore, it's a very rare sight to see such greenery, and it's really giving me very good vibes. So the weather condition is pretty good, and the road conditions are also awesome. So nothing to complain about, and this is my first long trip on my bike, and I am pretty much excited. So Mangalore is around 370 kilometers from Bangalore, and total journey time would be around 8 hours according to Google Maps. So I left my place at 6 AM in the morning, and right now the distance to Mangalore is 329 kilometers, and these coconut trees are giving me beach vibes. So it's very rare to find such empty roads. So let's throttle it down. So the road conditions around Hassan is not so good. You'll find patches of good and bad roads which might delay your journey. So after Hassan, the road conditions have improved a lot, and this view is awesome. I mean, I'm loving this ride. Trees on both sides, greenery all around, blue skies, and less traffic. That is the most important thing, less traffic. So right now I've entered Shakleshpura, and this is gonna be the last city before Mangalore. Considering it to be a city, I don't find much traffic here, so there won't be any delay in my journey. And right now I'm approaching Shiradi Ghat. Here also the road is pretty good, but very few potholes in between. Otherwise, overall the road conditions are good. I think this is a shortcut kind of thing that they're making. Not sure though. Yes. So that whole round journey is shortened by this thing. The curves are also not so sharp what I expected it to be, but it's pretty good. Blue skies, greenery all around, and good ghat roads overall. Most of the times I find myself alone, and sometimes few vehicles give me company. Let me go. So right now the temperature has risen a bit and I'm feeling a bit hot. But however, if I continue riding, then the dash of wind is not making me feel so hot, but still, I mean, it's a sunny day and the temperature has also risen, and I've started feeling a bit humid as well. So I think the more I approach the sea, the humidity also increases accordingly. I hope so. I'm enjoying this ride. My dad is enjoying this ride. So far, it has been an amazing ride, and I hope this to continue as it is. Amazing. Apart from feeling hot and this humidity, everything else is superb. I mean, all good. This greenery is, keeping my mind pretty calm. And the view on the left hand side is brilliant. I think this is a kind of a viewpoint of the ghat and people are taking photographs, so let me take some drone shots here. Okay, so there is a stream down there. I have been hearing sounds of it. And the view of the mountains is amazing. You can see the road down there. And there is a small waterfall as well. I think this is the source of the stream. Unfortunately I cannot go up there because it's at a very high altitude than where I am right now. This is me, and that's all about Shiradi Ghat. So let's keep rolling, and I'm expecting to reach Mangalore by 4:30. Let's see how it goes. We'll find these kind of patchy roads in between, but it's not a matter of much concern. I'm wondering why are these barricades put in between the roads. It looks like a marketplace here. Okay, understood now. So this left hand side road which you saw just now goes to Kukke Subramanya Swami temple. So if you're planning a trip to the temple, you can take that route. And also on the way you will find the way to Dharmasthala as well. That would be on the right hand side. Let me go. Okay. Now, go. This is a river, and I don't know why flags have been put all along the way. It gives feeling like you're going to a temple, but I don't see any temple nearby. And the road conditions have improved a lot. And this is a major river here. I don't know the name of this river, but according to some people, This river maps the boundary of Mangalore. So once you cross this river, you enter into Mangalore. So that's what I heard from people. Not sure though. If you know it, you can let me know in the comment section. So right now I've come across a junction and I have to go straight, and Mangalore city is not far away. I'm pretty close by. So I've started seeing buildings. Another crossing. A traffic signal. And welcome to Mangalore city. So my GoPro battery is pretty low now, so I am not sure how long I'll be able to shoot. So nevertheless, right now my aim is to find my hotel and check in, and hopefully I'll see you in the evening at Mangala Devi temple. So this is Mangala Devi temple, after whom the city of Mangalore is named. So photograph is not allowed inside, so I cannot show you what's inside. And dad is waiting for me. And this is Kadri Manjunath temple. And this temple is famous for its bronze statues. And this is Papa's ice cream corner. If you're in Mangalore, I would request you to try this Papa's ice cream. It's really very tasty. So that was my friend and my dad, and this is my hotel. And we'll continue this journey in the next episode. Till then, take care, stay safe, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like the content. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.